Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on this laptop. So the first way is to toggle your Wi-Fi connection. You can do this by clicking three icons you can see in the bottom right corner of the screen on the status bar. Then you can toggle your Wi-Fi by clicking this icon to make it turn white, and then click it again to make it turn blue color and see if it helps you. Alternatively, you can just enable and disable the airplane mode right here and see if it helps you, and if it doesn't, then just right click the Wi-Fi icon you see right here, then open network and internet settings, then scroll down to advanced network settings, open them, and then select network reset. Click reset now, click yes, and then restart your PC by opening the start menu, go to power options, select restart, and wait until your device is restarted. After your device restarts, sign in and then open the Wi-Fi menu again right here. Select the network that you were connected to, connect to it again, enter the security password again, press enter to connect, and then see if it helps you. And if it didn't, you can right click the Wi-Fi icon again, then go to Diagnose network problems, and then just go through the troubleshooting options like running network tests, trying a different website, restarting the Wi-Fi network adapter. So check the steps yourself, and if they don't help you solving your issue, then we can also try to do some magic in the device manager. So open the start menu, then search for device manager, open it, and here in the device manager go to network adapters and select your Wi-Fi adapter, open it, then go to driver section, try disabling your device by clicking right here, then click yes, and then enable your device once again by clicking enable device. And after your device restarts, you can check the connection, and if this didn't help, then click update driver and select search automatically for drivers. And then if your device finds any drivers to install, then install them, then restart your device and try see if it helps you. But if it didn't find anything, then we'll have to find the driver ourselves. It's pretty easy to do. What you'll have to know is your device's model name, and if you don't know the model name, it's located on the back cover of your laptop. So give me a second and I'm going to show you the precise location of the model name of this laptop. So right here on the back cover of your device, in my case I got a separate label with the model name, which is this part. And also you can check the model name right here beneath the model in the model section. So just memorize this model name, write it down, take a picture of it, and then go with the following steps. So open the web browser on your laptop, then open the search engine, for example Google, and here search for ASUS and then input your model name. This is the model name of my laptop, and then input drivers. You'll find the official ASUS support website, open it, then let's close all the pop-ups. Down here select the operational system that you're using. You can choose between Windows 11 and others. Check if it's the right model name of your device, and then scroll down to, in my case it will be MediaTek WLAN driver. Click download to download it. In your case it might be something else, but it can be, for example, a package that includes WLAN driver. So just search for it. This should be a crucial or critical driver, so you're not gonna miss it. It's always one of the first ones. Okay, so once you download it, you can open the installation file and then close the web browser, click yes, click OK, or you could also select the language in the previous menu. Then click next, read and accept the user's agreement, click next, and then click next, install, and then wait until the driver is installed. Then click finish and wait until your device is restarted, and once your device is restarted, everything should start working normally. Okay, and right now try to sign in to your device and try to connect to the Wi-Fi. Just see if it works for you right now, and if none of the solutions helps you solve your problem, in such case, first of all, try to check whether it's not a router's problem, because might be also your router malfunctioning. So try to turn it off and then on again. Try to connect other devices to the same network and see if this works. Now also contact your internet provider and tell them about your issue and see if they can help you with it. And if there is no problem on their side, then you can contact ASUS customer support service and tell them about your issue, and I'm sure they will find a solution to it. And in case this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.